Attention hydraulic system professionals. Introducing our high-performance replacement for REXROTH A10VO100DRS 53R-VSD12K16 tandem piston pump, the perfect alternative solution for your heavy equipment needs. Twin pump system features two A10VO100 piston pumps in series configuration, delivering powerful performance for construction machinery. REXROTH compatible quality critical components including pump block, plungers, drive shaft, and seals meet or exceed original equipment specifications. Premium Chinese manufacturing, precision engineered to provide reliable, cost-effective performance. 1-year warranty backed by our quality guarantee for worry-free operation. Ideal replacement for excavators, loaders, cranes, and other heavy equipment applications. Why choose TONKEE? We specialize in high-quality replacement pumps that deliver OEM-level performance at competitive prices. Contact our sales team today for special pricing. Worldwide distribution network. Upgrade your equipment with confidence. Choose TONKEE's premium replacement solution. www.excavator-hydraulic-pump.com